Hi Gareth, it's Mark at FMAV again. This is number 2. You can see the little number 2 that I've wrote there for you. This one is actually quite clean. Don't look like it's been abused over the years in a pub full of smoke. So that's all good, that one, mate. That's basically a laser change. I've given it a quick clean out. I don't know why they put so much bloody oil stuff on these cogs. It looks like every time they have a service they squidge off a ton of the stuff on there. But anyway, I've cleaned it all off because you don't need that amount. So I've redone all that as well, re-looped that up. But yeah, it's a nice one, mate. That's number 2 done for you. I'll upload that so you can see that. So I'm going to do number 3 now. I've got your other 2 sitting here, so I'll get that done. You can hear it playing there. So all good. Alright Gareth, that's number 2. Thanks very much.